Hello everyone and welcome back to Story English. I am Benedict.
I am Michelle. So happy to be here with you all today.
Yes, it is great to have you back with us. Today we are going to talk about something we all do every single day, our daily routine.
Oh, I love this topic. It is so practical and full of everyday English. Before we dive in, please remember to subscribe to the channel, share this episode with your friends who are learning English, and give us a big thumbs up. It really helps us a lot.
Absolutely, your support means the world to us. For today's episode, we have a special guest. Well, not a real guest, but we are going to listen to the story of someone named Sarah. She is going to tell us all about her daily routine.
Whew, I am excited. We will listen to Sarah's story, and then Benedict and I will chat about it, breaking down some of the English she uses and giving you some extra tips.
Exactly, it will be a relaxed chat, almost like we are just talking about our day. So let us listen to Sarah's daily routine. Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I am happy to share my daily routine with you. I usually get up at around 6 in the morning. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm, and then I stretch in bed for a few minutes. After that, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom to have a shower. After my shower, I dry myself and get dressed. I usually choose comfortable clothes for the day. Then I go downstairs to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually have a bowl of oatmeal with fruit and a cup of tea. While I eat breakfast, I often read the news on my phone. After breakfast, I wash the dishes and tidy up the kitchen. Then I brush my teeth and put on a little makeup. Around 7:30 a.m., I leave the house to go to work. I usually take the bus, which takes about 30 minutes. I arrive at work at 8 a.m. and start working immediately. I usually work on my computer and attend meetings throughout the morning. Around 12 o'clock, I have lunch with my colleagues in the cafeteria. We usually chat and relax during our lunch break. After lunch, I go back to work and continue my tasks until 5 o'clock. When I finish work, I go back home by bus. Sometimes, if the weather is nice, I walk home. When I get home, I usually feel tired, so I relax on the sofa for a while. Sometimes my friend comes over and we talk or watch a movie. Other times I cook dinner for myself. I like to eat dinner around 7:30 p.m. After dinner, I usually wash the dishes again, and then I might read a book or watch some TV. Before bed, I always brush my teeth again and get ready for bed. I usually go to bed around 10 or 10:30 p.m. That is pretty much my daily routine. Wow, that was Sarah's day. What a routine!
Yes, that is a busy day. I liked how she started. Hi everyone, my name is Sarah, and I am happy to share my daily routine with you. It is a nice, simple way to introduce yourself.
Very clear. She says, I usually get up at around 6 in the morning. Get up is common for waking up. Around 6 means not exactly 6.
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm. Turn off means to make it stop. Then she stretches in bed. Stretch means to extend your body.
After that, she gets out of bed. Get out of bed is physically leaving the bed. She goes to the bathroom to have a shower. Both have a shower or take a shower are common.
After her shower, she says, I dry myself and get dressed. Dry myself means to use a towel, and get dressed is to put on clothes.
She chooses comfortable clothes. Choose means to pick. Then she goes downstairs to the kitchen and makes breakfast. Make breakfast is to prepare food.
Her breakfast is oatmeal with fruit and tea. Have here means to eat or drink. While she eats, she reads the news on her phone. While means at the same time.
After breakfast, she washes the dishes and tidies up the kitchen. Tidy up means to make a place neat. Then she brushes her teeth and puts on makeup.
Around 7:30, she leaves the house to go to work. She takes the bus, which takes about 30 minutes. Takes here is about time.
She arrives at work at 8 and starts working immediately. She works on her computer and attends meetings throughout the morning. Throughout the morning means all during the morning.
Around 12, she has lunch with colleagues in the cafeteria. Colleagues are co-workers. They chat and relax during their lunch break.
After lunch, she goes back to work and continues her tasks until 5. Tasks are duties. When she finishes work, she goes back home by bus.
Sometimes, if the weather is nice, she walks home. Walk home means she goes home on foot. When she gets home, she feels tired, so she relaxes on the sofa for a while.
Sometimes her friend comes over. Comes over means a friend visits. Other times she cooks dinner for herself. She eats dinner around 7:30.
After dinner, she washes the dishes again. Then she might read a book or watch TV. Might means maybe. Before bed, she brushes her teeth again and gets ready for bed.
She usually goes to bed around 10 or 10:30. Go to bed means to go to sleep. Pretty much means almost, mostly.
Sarah's routine is clear and uses many common English phrases. It is fantastic for learners because it is a real-life example.
We heard many verbs: get up, turn off, stretch, get out of bed, have a shower, dry myself, get dressed, go downstairs, make breakfast, wash the dishes, tidy up, brush my teeth, put on makeup, leave the house, take the bus, arrive at work, start working, attend meetings, have lunch, go back to work, finish work, get home, relax, comes over, talk, watch a movie, cook dinner, read a book, get ready for bed, go to bed. That is a lot.
Phew, that is a lot. But that is how we talk about our days. We hope listening to it and hearing our explanation helped you understand it even better.
Yes, daily routines are a fantastic way to practice your English. Try talking about your own routine.
Absolutely. We encourage you to try describing your own day just like Sarah did. Use the words and phrases you learned today. And before we go, please remember to subscribe to Story English. Share this episode with anyone learning English and leave us a comment below.
Tell us one thing you do every day that makes you happy. That is a great idea, Michelle. We would love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Story English. See you next time.
Keep practicing your English. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.